In this video, I'm going to walk through security for your website, SSL security. And this is really important if you're doing any type of transaction. So if you're doing any type of e-commerce or purchases through your website, it's really important to have your site set up to HTTPS, which is the highest level of security for your site. The actual process for this is really easy. It's 2 clicks, but understanding what you're doing is also valuable as well. Now, this is my demo website that I'm working on, and the first thing I'm going to want to do is go to Settings, and then go to Advanced, and then click on SSL. As you can see here, I have both of these checked off. Out of the box with Squarespace, it just starts here, but I highly recommend turning on HSTS. What that does is, if somebody goes to your site and they go to the HTTP version of your website, it'll take them to the HTTPS version of your website. So let me show you that now. So I'm going to click out of this. I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to paste the HTTP version here. I'm going to press enter. It's a demo website, so it's going to show up with a password. But one thing worth noting is if I click into here, you'll see it's already changed it to the HTTPS. That means it's pulling the highest level of security. As you could see here as well, it shows the lock, which is great. Connection is secure. All of that is great. So certificate is valid. Perfect. And so this is great. And the reason this is important, well, there's a few reasons, but one main reason this is important is you never want someone to go to your website, especially if you're e-commerce, and they end up at a page that says this site is dangerous, or it's not loading properly, or it's not secure, or it could be risky. If any of those messages show up, it's a really bad starting point for the user. Following, when you set up your new domain, so if you link your domain from, say, GoDaddy or Google Domains or whatever that might be, when you link it, it has to build the security from scratch. So Squarespace does a really good job of making this process as easy and smooth as possible, but it will take some time. So you'll see here it says certificate status active. Well, when you link a new domain, immediately after you link it, it's going to say processing. So you want to ensure that you set up your domain the right way, so the DNS is set up properly so that it can work quickly and efficiently to set up your new certificate on your main domain. So for example here, if I go to our website, HTTP, and then just go to that version of it, as soon as I do that, well, it'll change it to the HTTPS, and you'll see here that our certificate is valid. So it's really easy to use, really easy to format, and now your site is secure. So you want to make sure that this is active. It doesn't say processing. If you just connected the domain, it could take up to 72 hours. If it takes up to 72 hours, contact Squarespace support and see if they have any information on their side to help you. But overall, once it's active, you're good to go, and your site is going to show up in the best way possible and be secure for transactions on your site. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you got value from this video, hit that like button. When you hit that like button, it tells the YouTube algorithm some important information, but it also lets me know that you got value from this video. And if you did get value from this video and you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish new videos every single week. Friday at 1 p.m. we post a new video, if not multiple videos throughout the week. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, but I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.